All right, grammar fans, buckle up. Today we're diving deep, I tell ya, into a structure that can make your English incredibly vibrant. And it all starts with a tiny word, like.
And of course, like has all its friends, all those verbs that tell us about how we feel about stuff. But the real magic happens when we pair them up with actions. With ing, to be precise.
You got it. We're talking like ing, but we're going way beyond the basics here. You know, like, I like reading, they dislike cooking, we're going to spice things up.
We're talking about expressing yourself with feeling, being able to tell someone you love something just as easily as you can tell them you wouldn't mind never doing it again.
And that's key, right? Because like our friends over at Learn English Kids point out, it's not just about the activity itself. It's about how we experience it. They call this ing form a gerund. But let's not get bogged down in the jargon. What matters is it's like a verb caught in the act.
Absolutely. Like saying swimming is exhilarating paints a much more vivid picture than, say, I like swimming pools, right? You're right there in the experience.
100%. It's that subtle shift that makes all the difference. And you know what else makes a difference? Those little shades of meaning we can pack in. It's not just a black and white like it or don't like it situation, is it?
Oh, absolutely not. You can ramp up the enthusiasm with a good, I love trying new foods, or dial it way back with, hey, I don't mind watching a movie tonight. You've got options.
Options are good. And let's be real, sometimes dislike just doesn't cut it. Like, come on, I dislike going to the dentist? Where's the drama in that?
Exactly. Sometimes you need that hate to really get your point across, I hate going to the dentist.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's honest. And that's what this boils down to. Being clear, being understood, and letting your personality shine through.
Which, let's be honest, is kind of the whole point of language, right? So think about it next time you're in a job interview and you want to express how much you're crazy about, say, problem solving.
Or you're meeting someone new, and you want them to know you're all about that trying new things lifestyle.
Exactly. This little grammar nugget can make you so much more engaging. But here's a final thought for you. We often say, I love learning English, right?
Yeah.
But what if, instead of just loving it, we see ourselves as being actively engaged in that love, like, I am in the process of loving to learn English.
Ooh, I like that.
Right. Does changing the way we think about it change how we approach it? Something to chew on. Until next time, happy grammaring, everyone.